Hello guys, I have a tablet HP ElitePad 900. I cannot log into the Windows 8, I don't have the password, I don't have administrator password, so I need to figure out how to remove that password. Actually, the best way, reinstall the Windows, right? So to do this, we have a Windows installation media creation tool. You can get it from the description. So when you launch it, you can choose the language here. Second option, you choose the edition of the Windows. You have 8.1, 8.1, Windows 8.1 Professional N, I don't know what is it N, what it refers to N, and single language. I don't have here the Windows installation media creation tool for Windows 8, but it's also possible to get it from Microsoft website. So what you need to do, this utility actually downloads from Microsoft website desired image. What you need to do also, you need to know the current version of your tablet, what is the version is. For example, if you have Windows 8.1 Professional, you should exactly use that image. Why you need this? Because in case if you will mismatch the edition of the Windows, it will ask you for the product key. Probably you don't have it, as me for example. First I tried that one on the top, Windows 8.1, and it didn't work, so I chose that one. I did, now you choose the architecture, so it's 32-bit or 64-bit. In my case, ElitePad 900 tablet, it's a 32-bit tablet. So I do this, and when you press next, it proposes you what you want to do. If you choose USB flash drive, it will save installation to USB flash drive, and it should be at least 40 gigs. But the better option is to download into ISO file. When you do that, it will create the ISO file, and after you can burn it. I just pressed next button, let's see what will happen. Now it will prompt you for the path. Once you choose the path and name that image, you press save and it's gonna download, and you will see the progress on the screen. Okay, I already did this, and once you download it, there is another tool what helps you to write image to USB drive or DVD drive. The tool is Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. I will also put it in the description. So here you choose the source file. When you press a browse, you can show to the application where is your image, like me. When you press next, it will ask you to choose the way what you're gonna do, USB device or DVD. Two options, right? So it will create bootable USB device or DVD device. The problem is what that tablet is really stubborn. It has a UEFI BIOS and it only accepts special type of USB flash bootable device. I tried many solutions on the internet, nothing worked. I tried around 10 different options. The device doesn't see the bootable USB flash drive. So when I did that DVD, I already burned. In the next section I will show you. Okay, so what I have here, HP ElitePad 900. I have external USB optical DVD drive. Here I have already burned image of Windows 8.1 Pro. It's a USB keyboard actually. Here you should use a jacket, because without the jacket you cannot do anything, because you cannot connect USB devices, because that tablet doesn't have such option. So what we're gonna do, we will press on power button and pressing F9. here you can see change boot device order notification. So this is my tablet, and I press on, actually I have a USB keyboard and I can choose my option to boot. In case if you don't see this USB or any devices here on the list and just OS boot manager, it means what device doesn't see the connected device. Like in case, for example, of my USB, what I prepared also bootable USB flash drive, it doesn't see it and doesn't show it on that list. So I pressed on enter. On the top you will see the short prompt. You should press any button to start actually to load Windows. Okay, you see language, time and currency format, keyboard. It doesn't matter for me now. I will just click tab to choose next. So I press install now. So here I will press on next button also, because it's not really interesting here. Here we have two options, like upgrade, install Windows and keep files, settings and application. Of course it's on the top. It's not my choice because it will keep even the passwords and users what already on there. Doing that, from below, custom install Windows only advanced. It will give you some options, like first of all you can erase everything, for example here, and just leave recovery partition and create all partitions anew, but it's kind of risky. I don't want to try that option. What I will do, actually, I will just choose the partition for where to install Windows and press next. On next screen it will tell me, like, it will save all data to windows.alt folder so we can access it later, and I will try to retrieve the product key to use it in the future. So here it says exactly what I just told you, what it will create files in windows.alt folder. Keep them all. Now you see the installation progress. It will copy files. As you see, the setup didn't ask me for the product key. In case if you will use different additional Windows from what was on the tablet, it will ask you for the product key. If you have one, it's okay, but don't forget what every product key is binded to additional Windows. For example, I believe you cannot use product key from Windows 8 Pro to Windows 8 Not Pro. This is it. Okay guys, so I skipped some portion of the installation. It passed properly, and it asked me to choose the tablet PC actually name, so I chose like HP ElitePad, and it asked me for the username. I chose John, basic one, and I pressed next. I didn't put any password or whatever, so this is it. And as you can see, touch doesn't work, I believe, because there is no any driver installed on it. As you can see here, the Windows is not active for the button. I was trying to find the drivers for Windows 8.1. I didn't find any driver that will work and will identify any device on it. So I used my wireless USB dongle, and it got drivers, and I got connected to the network. As you can see, the internet works. So touchscreen doesn't work at this moment. And you can see internet works, so I will try to activate the Windows. Okay, it's here, activate Windows Online. I don't know if it will work, but we will see soon. Okay, thank you. You all done. Let's open this window. Properties. Okay, you can see here now. I refresh the page and it says here Windows is activated. So, to summarize all this, when you use the same edition of Windows, in my case it was Windows 8.1 Pro, it didn't ask me for the product key during the installation. I believe it keeps somewhere that product key. Once Windows installed and if you got your wireless connection somehow, you can activate the Windows and you will not need to use your product key. Also, we have the application what can show us the product key for future reference. It's really useful actually, because you can, like in my case, I don't have any sticker on that tablet. I don't know the product key, and to know it, I have an application which is called ShowKeyPlus. When you run it, okay, so this is my tablet HP ElitePad 900, and I will show you what I managed to install drivers for that model finally, even Wi-Fi and everything. And the workaround was to find on the website that application. What you can see here, it says HP Support Solution Framework, and what it does actually, as you can see now, the HP website is down. It will recognize your model, like in my case. After running that application, it opened that page. So, and you can see here software and driver downloads. I run that application first. You can see it's the HP ElitePad 900 System BIOS and Firmware Driver Update. As you can see, SP71504. So in case you have the same model, you can use that one. Upon that, I rebooted the screen, and reboot took a lot of time, let's say up to 5 minutes, so you need to wait that. Upon that, I was able to install a wireless adapter driver. I used that package. I tried it before and that package didn't work actually, so after that first package what I just showed you, that package with wireless network adapter driver did work. Now I have wireless here, as you can see, and I don't use anymore my dongle for Wi-Fi. And if you go to system, actually you can see only one device is still unknown, and that device, I have a description here. This device is named NXP6011, and it refers to near field sensor or something like that from the manufacturer NXP. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please press on like button if you like my video.